Good morning dear students, welcome to the social lesson. So in this class we will learn the lesson number 4, pollution of environment. So pollution of environment is the fourth lesson of our social. Okay. So before going to the pollution of environment, we should know what is the meaning of environment. So environment is the surrounding or a condition in which organism can survive, which includes living and non-living things. The components of the earth are air, water, forest. These are all the main naturally occurring components of the earth. So the environment consists of four spheres mainly: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. So now we have to learn how the damage or what caused the damage of our environment. So there are mainly four types of pollutions are there. Mainly four types of pollutions are there. So air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. Let's learn one by one. So first one, air pollution. Air pollution. What is meaning by air pollution? What do you mean by air pollution? The air pollution is nothing but the contamination of air. The contamination of the air by adding harmful gases or unpleasant things into the air. The contamination of air. So what are the causes of air pollution? So ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ air pollution ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So mainly emission from the industries and vehicles. First of all, main emission from the industries and vehicles. Then burning dry leaves. Then third one, household activities. Then mining activities. Then radioactive fallout. These are all the causes of air pollution. So now we have to prevent the air pollution. So what are the preventions we can take to prevent air pollution? So let's learn one by one. So factories or big industries should not be set up in the nearby the residential areas. Factories should not be set up near the residential areas. And emission from vehicles. So emission from vehicles can also be prevented by properly maintaining them. So properly maintaining them, we have to reduce the emission from the vehicles. So then encourage carpooling and avoid driving as much as possible. And we have to use public transport. Then mining. So we have to avoid mining activities also, and then radioactive fallout. These are all the main things we can prevent the air pollution. So then water pollution. So the second one, water pollution. Water pollution is nothing but the contamination of water or water bodies like river, lake, sea, oceans by adding harmful things into the water. Okay, contamination of water is nothing but the water pollution. So causes of water pollution are sewage and wastewater. Marine dumping means nothing but when the waste materials dumping into the water bodies. So then industrial waste, and then oil spill in sea water. So these are all the main causes of water pollution. So what are the preventions? What are the steps to prevent water pollution are? So we have to clean the water or industrial waste before dumping into the water. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So then prevent disposal of waste material. Prevent disposal into sea water or anything water bodies. So now waste na water ಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So then prevent construction. So prevent constructions near coastal areas. ಅಲ್ಲಿ construction ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Avoid construction near the coastal areas. So these are all the steps to prevent water pollution. So next we will move to soil pollution. Soil pollution is nothing but the contamination of soil by adding harmful or unpleasant or chemical things. Okay, this is the water pollution. So what causes the soil pollution? The causes are excessive use of pesticides and fertilizers. In agricultural activities nowadays, lots of fertilizers are used. Okay, so these are all excessively added to the soil. Excessively uses of pesticides and fertilizers. Then oil and fuel dumping. Oil and fuel dumping. It means waste oil and fuel dumping into the soil. And mining and industrial waste. Mining is one of the major role. It plays a major role in soil erosion and soil pollution also. So industrial waste. So industrial waste are dumping into the soil. So what are the preventions or steps to prevent soil pollution or solid waste? We have to avoid as much as possible dumping into the soil. Solid wastes like tin, copper, these type of solid waste we have to avoid dumping into the soil. So then excessive use of pesticides and fertilizer. Yes, fertilizer we have to control the uses of pesticides and fertilizers also. Then mining. So we have to control the mining activities also. So these are all the prevention measures. And then industrial waste. So we have to avoid the dumping industrial waste into the soil. So next we move to the another one, noise pollution. Noise pollution is the very important thing nowadays happening. What is defined as the unwanted sound which is released into the surrounding or atmosphere. Unwanted sound or noisy sound nowadays, which is very big issue. Okay, so what are the main causes of this noise pollution? Are loud noises by machinery. Loud noises by machinery. Machineries or industries which is near to the residential areas, it raises loud sounds. It raises loud sounds. It causes noise pollution. Then construction work. Then loudspeakers and honking. Loudspeaker also is the major role of noise pollution. So then honking and loudspeaker, construction work. So in functions like in public functions, using using loudspeakers, these are all the main causes of noise pollution. So how to avoid the noise pollution? So honking should be prohibited. Near the hospitals, schools, near these type of areas. Honking should be prohibited. Then avoid loud music as much as possible. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೌಂಡ್ ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So then firecrackers, as we all know, firecrackers are extremely useless, extremely harmless. Extreme pollution, firecrackers play a major role. Okay, the firecrackers are extremely harmful. Okay, it creates unnecessary sounds and making a noise pollution. So we have to avoid the use of firecracker also. And then we have to maintain the lots of machineries. Okay, various machineries can make a noisy sounds. Okay, so proper maintaining of machineries is also makes the noise pollution in control. Okay, these are all the prevention or steps to prevent noise pollution. So in this class we have learned the pollution of environment. So various pollution of environment like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution, and the causes of the pollution and the steps to prevent the pollution also. Dear students, in this class we have learned our pollution of our environment. In the next class we will learn another lesson. Okay, thank you.